In this section, let's go through the various laws of exponents. Alright, let's take examples and go through each of these laws so that you will be able to easily remember them and apply them in any question. Say you have 2 to the power 1. That's nothing but 2 itself, and that's the law over here. Say you have 3 to the power 2 into 3 to the power 3. Now 3 to the power 2 is 3 into 3. Similarly, 3 to the power 3 is 3 into 3 into 3. Now when you multiply this, you have 5 3's. So this is equal to 3 to the power 5. And you can see that that was obtained as 3 to the power 2 plus 3. So that's the law over here. So you can note that in this case, the base is the same. This is called the base, right? And this is called the exponent. Let me write that over here. This is the exponent and this is the base. Now when you have the same base, you can just add the exponents. That's the law over here, right? Now let's try to do 3 to the power 4 divided by 3 to the power 2. Now I can write this as 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 divided by 3 into 3, right? Now I can cut the common factors in the numerator and denominator, and I am left with 3 into 3, which is 3 square, or 3 to the power 4 minus 2. Here also you can note that the base is the same. You have 3 as the base in this number and you have 3 as the base in this exponent. So the base is the same. So if you have a division operation to do and the base is the same, you keep the base as it is and subtract the exponents. Alright, that's the law over here. Let's go on. Say you want to do 3 to the power 2 divided by 3 to the power 2. That's 3 into 3 by 3 into 3. And the numerator and denominator is the same. So you get this as 1. And as per the law that we learned over here, this can be written as 3 to the power 2 minus 2, right? Because the base is the same. So let me write it as 3 to the power 2 minus 2, which is equal to 3 to the power 0. Therefore, a to the power 0 is equal to 1. Now this is applicable when a is not equal to 0, because 0 to the power 0 is not defined. Let's move on. Say you want to find 3 to the power minus 2. Now I can write minus 2 as 0 minus 2, right? 0 minus 2 is equal to minus 2. When I want to do 3 to the power 0 minus 2, based on this law that we learned over here, I can write this as 3 to the power 0 divided by 3 to the power 2, right? And based on what we learned over here, I know that 3 to the power 0 is nothing but 1. Therefore, this expression over here becomes 1 divided by 3 to the power 2. That's what we learn over here. A to the power minus n is nothing but 1 by a to the power n. Alright, 3 to the power minus 2 is equal to 1 by 3 to the power 2. Alright, now let's go to the next law. Say you want to do 2 cube the whole square. Now that is equal to 2 cube into 2 cube. Over here you can see that the base is the same. Based on this law, the first one over here, I can see a to the power m into a to the power n is equal to a to the power m plus n. So over here I will get 2 to the power 3 plus 3, or 2 to the power 6. And you can note that this 6 can also be obtained as 2 to the power 3 into 2. So when you have a to the power m to the power n, that's equal to a to the power m into n. Alright, now the next one is, say you want to do a to the power m into b to the power m. Alright, let's take an example. 2 square into 3 square. You can see that the base is different. Over here the base is 2. Over here the base is 3. The base is different, but the exponents are the same. In this case, let's try to understand why we can write it like this. Let me expand it. This is 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. And let me club it like this. 2 into 3 into 2 into 3. Now this is equal to 2 into 3 the whole square, right? 2 into 3 is getting repeated 2 times. You're multiplying it. Therefore, I can write it as 2 into 3 the whole square. And that's why when you have the same exponent but different bases, you can club the base together and keep the same exponent. So a to the power m into b to the power m is equal to ab to the power m. And the same law holds for division as well. If you have 2 square divided by 3 square, that is equal to 2 by 3 the whole square.